Hey guys, Rachel Pedersen here. A question that I get a lot from business owners is this one. Is TikTok good for marketing? We're going to dive on into some of my experience using TikTok to market my business, as well as supporting my clients in using TikTok to market their businesses. Let's cue that intro. And while the intro is playing, comment below and let me know what your TikTok handle is, or if you don't have a TikTok, share your industry and business name beneath this video. My name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist. I've worked with clients, including quite a few clients that you most likely have heard of. We've helped our clients to scale from hundreds of thousands of dollars to millions of dollars, turn $25,000 in ad spend into $1.6 million in revenue. And we've also helped some clients to go viral and grow their followings by hundreds of thousands of followers. Business owners have a very real question about whether or not TikTok is powerful for marketing, but I'm gonna just go ahead and dive on in and support you in finding the answer for yourself with my help. Because it's one thing for me to say it, it's another thing for you to dive in and discover whether or not your audience is on TikTok. So the very first thing that I want you to do is what I call my two-step reverse research method. Essentially, what you're gonna do is think about your audience. Who is it that you serve? Feel free to, by the way, workshop this in the comments of this video. Who is it that you serve? Is it high school seniors? Maybe it's wino moms or Yorkie parents. Who is it that you want to serve? Now, what I want you to do is think of the hashtag that they're most likely to use. Maybe it's hashtag on a health journey. Maybe it's hashtag work at home mom. Maybe it's hashtag business owner. Okay, so you've got a hashtag in mind, right? Pro tip, make sure it's a hashtag that your audience would use, not a hashtag that you would use to try to reach your audience. What is one that they're naturally using outside of their experience with your brand? That is absolutely key here. Now what I want you to do is actually go inside of the TikTok app. Now you're gonna see at the bottom of the screen, the second icon from the left is a little magnifying glass that says discover or search. I want you to click on that, and then at the very top of the screen, you're gonna see a search bar. Type in that search bar the hashtag that your ideal audience most likely uses. Now this is just a sample. This is a chance for us to see, is your audience on TikTok? Then you're gonna scroll on over to the right. You're gonna see the ability to click hashtags. Click hashtags and just take a peek at the number of views of those hashtags. Tell me what numbers you see. Let me know in the comments below. Is your audience on TikTok? Do you see them there? Now that you know the answer for yourself, which the answer may be different for every single person and business watching this, one of the big things that I want you to understand is that a lot of your competitors are feeling hesitant about jumping onto TikTok, probably just like you are. Maybe that's why you actually searched for this video or clicked on it, because you're feeling uncertain, you don't know. But let's dive into one key fact and then talking about your competition on TikTok. First and foremost, TikTok has nearly 1 billion monthly active users on the platform, and nearly 30% of those users are over the age of 30. That means that there is nearly 300 million people over the age of 30. So yes, your target market is hanging out on TikTok. But like I said, your competition likely isn't, and part of it is because they feel uncertain. I hope that they don't watch this video and jump on. You have a chance to beat them there. Now, what's so powerful about TikTok is it is a place where there's still a blue open ocean. If you don't know what that means, I highly recommend checking out the book Blue Ocean Strategy, which explains what a blue ocean means. It's a phenomenal read. But one of the cool things is, because your competition isn't on TikTok, there is that blue ocean. It means you have the ability to dive on in and become the go-to expert on TikTok, and really the authority, the voice, and tap into a brand new market that your competitors may not even fully be aware of yet. Now, some big brands that are crushing it on TikTok include Chipotle, Ralph Lauren, Netflix, the San Diego Zoo, Washington Post. The list goes on and on of brands that are jumping onto this TikTok train, but it's not just for big brands. And in fact, about a year ago, very few people knew who I was on TikTok. I had about 7,000 or 8,000 followers on TikTok, and today I have 270,000 followers. And every single week, I get millions of views on my videos. So you have the chance to step into this untapped, unlimited viral potential with every single video. Part of the reason why TikTok is so powerful is because every single one of your videos actually reaches the For You page. What is the For You page? It's basically like a huge Discover news feed, kind of like on Instagram or back before the algorithm changed on Facebook. It's a place to find new content, new people to follow, people to engage with. And so every single one of your videos is served to that For You page, which means that it is in front of a new audience. 75% of people spend their time on TikTok on the For You page versus on the content of the people that they follow. Now, if you're enjoying this so far, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I release social media and TikTok tutorials and trainings every single week, plus some good ones about business. Now, one of the big differences with TikTok is that because you do have the ability to go viral all the time, while going viral and growing a massive following is an awesome strategy, just like how the dentist, yes, that's dentist with a B, did and has ultimately expanded his business through this practice, going viral may not be the best strategy for everyone. And in fact, I recommend focusing on really putting out evergreen authority building content. That means content that is the same today, a year from now, 10 years from now. And a great way to build your authority on TikTok is to lead with value. Now, this is key. I see a lot of people when they hear me share to lead with value, they say really fluffy things. For example, if they're a coach, they say like, go after your dreams, like you can do anything, stay positive. And while those things are fine and well and great advice, it's not really the nitty gritty. It doesn't feel like it stands out from the crowd at all. And so if you're gonna give value, make sure that you go really in depth, similar to how you might into a YouTube video and give examples, kind of like this one. The other thing that I highly recommend is really nurturing every single comment, follower, lead, engaging with your followers, maybe even following some of them back, because the fortune in TikTok is really found in the follow-up. So every single person who comments like interested or asks a question, take the time to build some connection and relationship with these prospects instead of relying on the world of automation and funnels to make everything happen for you. Build real and genuine relationships on TikTok. And let me just tell you, TikTok will reward you handsomely or beautifully. Another reason that TikTok is very powerful for marketing for businesses is because I've really been seeing this trend of consumers being tired of everything being super perfect and polished and just kind of almost like a facade. It reminds me of when I went to Las Vegas and I just felt like everything was plaster and fake. And it kind of felt gross to me versus like when I went to Santorini, Greece, like everything was real and beautiful and stone and cement. And it was just a beautiful place. And when I compare that with Las Vegas, it just feels ugh. And consumers and followers are feeling that way about brands. They want to see the behind the scenes. They want to see the personalities. They want to see that you actually care about them. TikTok is the perfect platform to start to show that side of your business's personality. And my favorite part about TikTok is that you're able to create valuable marketing content in significantly less time than any other platform. You can create a TikTok video in less than 15 seconds or up to a minute that literally could go viral and reach 1 million people next week, which is so crazy cool. Now I put together an entire resource for you guys. You can check it out beneath this video. It is my free TikTok starter pack. Grab that so that you can get your jump start onto TikTok. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys later. Oops. Sorry. The average